One of the most amazing things about working with a psychic is I can confirm for you those inklings and nudges that you have of what's in your energy field, these things that you know are potential that are just outside of what's happening, the visionary things that you want to create in the world. I can confirm those for you and help you work with those, because that's what I do. I'm working in the invisible world, translating it, speaking to you of the nuances, and helping you to also get a wrangle on, get a mental picture of this amazing visionary thing that you want to create. And I work with people. If you want to work with me one time, you can. One time is fine. But what's even more impactful is when we work together either once a month for 9 months or 3 months together, like really intensive, honing in, drilling in on what is the intuitive insight, the out of the box sense about the amazing thing that you are creating in the world, the amazing thing that you're birthing. It can feel lonely when you're birthing something visionary. That's why I love working with you, being that second voice, highlighting what you see and helping you bring it forth. There's no time like now to start bringing forth your vision, to be making this progress on the visionary thing that you want to bring to fruition. The earth needs it. People need it. This is your time. So let's work together. Let's actualize and bring this thing into reality.